Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about dashboard of Figma. So when you install the software, you can see the interface is going to look like this. If you log into Figma web version, then also the interface is same. After installing, when you log in into Figma, then the interface is look like this. Right now we are in recent tab. In recent tab we have some files from Figma like prototyping in Figma, Figma basic, wireframing, and some colors you can choose for your team. But you are working for yourself, then you don't have to create any team. As you can see, I also created one project. This project is about web design. So the next option is drafts. In drafts we have non-projects files. If you let's click on this project one, and if you want to move this file into project, you can do that. Okay, the project is open now. So what you have to do is that just click on this down arrow button and this menu will be pop up, and from here you can move this file to project. And you can also search your project from here, or if you want to create a new project, you can also click on it, new project, and move. So it is showing your project is moved. So this is now project file. Now if you go into home, and you can see the file is not in the drafts now. The file is in first project. You can see here. So the next option is community. Community is one of the biggest feature of Figma. From here you can download plugins, FigJam, design system, wireframes, illustration, icon, topography, and much more. As you can see, we have already created templates. We can use these templates in our project. So let's take this one. So you can see this web page. So this is the web page for the e-learning platform, and if you want to know more about this web page, you can click on it and it will show you some more things about this web page. And you can also know who is the creator of it. You can also follow them from here. If you want to comment, you can also do that from here. So for now we are gonna duplicate it, and we can also like it from here and just click on the duplicate. After duplicating file, then you can see the project is open in the drafts. But if you want to move this project to your project, you can just click on to move project and select your project. Like I'm not created any project here, but if I click on the first, and it is gonna move into first project. If you want, you can also edit this page, but for now we are gonna learn about more things. So I'm gonna close in this tab. So let's go to home again. So if you are new here and you want to create a new project, you can go into first project and click on this plus button and just click on the design file. As you can see, it is untitled, but if you want to rename it, you can also rename it from here. Let's say it is an app. So I'm gonna type app, enter. So let's create the frame and just choose anyone like iPhone, and we can add elements from here like a line, or if you want to add another shape like triangle or ellipse, polygon. Okay, you can do the all kind of stuff here, but currently let's look at the interface. And you can see the project you created, it is in project section, it is not in the drafts. And if you want to delete this file, just right click on it and just delete it. And if you are working with your team, you can just click on the create a new team, add the team name, and just click on the create a team. But currently we are just working solo, so we are not going to create any team. Let's close this page. So there are more options, like there is this notification button. You will get your all the notification here, and this is the profile. From here you can access like plugins. Currently I installed this photo plugin, and if I want to uninstall it, I can just click on this button and it is gonna uninstall for me. And you can also download as many as plugins from the community. And in community I have my name, email ID, profile picture, and all that stuff. In my accounts I also have the same name, email ID, libraries and connected apps and all that. If you want to add more account, you can also add them. from here, and you can, if you want to log out after completing your project, you can also log it from here. And I think that's it. That's all about the Figma dashboard or the interface. So in the next video, we are going to learn about Figma tools and more. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.